The Ganga, India's most sacred river, doesn't begin as one stream. It is the grand result of a long Himalayan journey, shaped by glaciers, mountains, and sacred confluences. Today, we trace the Ganga river system of Uttarakhand through a cinematic map, from its icy origins to its entry into the plains. Our journey begins at Gomukh, the snout of the Gangotri Glacier. Here, surrounded by towering peaks and shimmering blue ice, the Bhagirathi is born, pure glacial melt rushing out with fierce energy. From Gomukh, the river descends through Chirbasa and Bhojbasa before reaching the holy town of Gangotri. Further downstream, in the remote Nelang Valley, the powerful Jad Ganga joins from the right bank. As Bhagirathi moves toward Tehri, it meets another major right bank tributary, the Bhilangana, once flowing past the old town of Tehri, now submerged beneath the vast Tehri Dam reservoir. Meanwhile, another mighty river rises in the high Himalayas, the Alaknanda, emerging from the Satopant and Bhagirath Kharak glaciers near Badrinath. From here, it rushes down through Govindghat and Joshimath, carving deep valleys as it flows. On its southward journey, the Alaknanda forms the Panchprayag, 5 sacred confluences. At Vishnuprayag, the turbulent Dhauli Ganga joins from the right. At Nandprayag, the gentle Nandakini merges from the left. At Karnaprayag, the glacier-fed Pindar meets the Alaknanda. Next comes Rudraprayag, where the river from the Kedarnath valley, the Mandakini, joins in. And finally, at Devprayag, the great moment arrives. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda unite, and from this point onward, the river is known as the Ganga. After Devprayag, the young Ganga flows through the steep Rishikesh Gorge, passing sacred temples and iconic bridges before reaching Haridwar, where she leaves the mountains and enters the vast Indo-Gangetic plains. Recapping the tributaries. Left bank rivers, Nandakini, Pindar, Mandakini. Right bank rivers, Dhauli Ganga, Birahi Ganga, Jad Ganga, Bhilangana. Together, these streams, glaciers and confluences form the Himalayan Ganga, a dynamic, high-energy river system carrying snowmelt, minerals and life through one of the world's most complex mountain terrains. This is the story of the Ganga in Uttarakhand, written in ice, stone, valleys and devotion. From a trickle of glacial melt to a river that sustains millions, the Ganga is not just water. She is heritage, she is movement, she is civilization.